This is how to cook simple, delicious Osso Bucco. First, season the meat with salt and pepper. Then, coat them with plain flour. Now, oil in hot pan. Fry them until brown in color. Flip over, okay? Then put to the side. Fry shallots and carrots. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix them up. Then add garlic. Mix them well. Put back in the Osso Bucco, okay? Add a chicken stock. Add tomato puree. Add white wine. Mix them well. Add mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper too, okay? Let it boil. And add fresh thyme. Flip them over. Lid on or cover with foil. Place into oven 180 degrees for 1.5 to 2 hours or so. This is fresh from the oven. It's looking pretty good. Serve it with mashed potato and broccoli. Simple, I guarantee. It's very delicious.